미래 최초로 유치원입니다.
So today I'm going to take you on a journey and we're going to visit a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Namhansanseong Fortress is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is approximately 480 meters above sea level and is aligned with the ridges of the mountain in order to offer maximum defensibility. So this fortress was used for emergencies for the capital city during the Joseon Dynasty of Korea, which is between 1392 and 1910. The architectural influence is of East Asia and it has 4 different historical cultural styles, including the Joseon of Korea, the Azuchi Momoyama period of Japan, and Ming and Qing of China. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day and I'll see you around.